Vice President Nkosazana Chiwenga and his wife, Ndotabo Baloyi Chiwenga, turned heads on Thursday as they made a grand appearance in striking traditional attire at the launch of the 2025 National Cultural Month in Chiredzi. Sanapita mashoko onzi aiwa panguva ino Chiwenga aiwa ari pamwechete nemukadzi wake aiwa voattracta ruzhinji aiwa yesterday not subscribe or like out on the bell kuti vina mwambulani kwamchidzi dressed to impress. The couple arrived at Rusunguko Clinic ahead of President Emerson Mnangagwa, who later officially launched the event. The Chiwengas effortlessly stole the limelight, drawing admiration from dignitaries, cultural practitioners, and members of the public. This latest public appearance reflects more than a nod to heritage. It is the latest in a series of calculated moves by Chiwenga to craft a refined public image, one far removed from the hard military persona of his past. In recent years, the former army general has rebranded himself as a polished statesman. His classy waiting to the eloquent and fashion-savvy Minotabo in 2022 set a new tone for his public life. Since then, Chiwenga has regularly appeared in designer suits, traditional regalia, and tailored cultural outfits that signal a deliberate shift from military fatigues to presidential polish. While state media reported the Chiredzi event as a celebration of cultural identity, Zambia's online propagandists known as Varakashi were quick to spin Chiwenga's presence as an endorsement of Mnangagwa's increasingly contested 2030 agenda, a bid to remain in office beyond constitutional two-term limit. But sources close to the vice president insisted that nothing could be further from the truth. In quotes, this was not about 2030. Chiwenga is carefully reminding the nation and the party who he is and where he came from, said one source. He knows how Mnangagwa used him. This was about visibility, legacy, and power. The symbolism of launching Cultural Month is full traditional attire in front of war veterans and liberation figures was not lost on observers. It was a subtle but powerful message. Chiwenga remains rooted in the liberation ethos, yet is also prepared to lead a modern, culturally grounded Zimbabwe. Domash wanomuda panguva ino yatona kuti Chiwenga anoattracta ruzhinji, and at the same time tona kuti Varakashi vangoteka advantage vaona aiwa VP Nkosazana Chiwenga vamira nemutungamiri wenyika vakasimudzana maoko vakati aiwa Chiwenga atoendoza kamutungamiri wenyika for 2030, but they are dismissing vakati isusu tinoramba tiri pachokwadi, hatimbosupport that agenda. Pinagome section medu mudza mafunguro enyu motikudiva musoro pechiitiko ichi. Pinagome section medu musoro subscribe or like, chat on the bell icon.